What is the keyword shortcuts to open the on-screen keyboard on Windows? So in this video I'm going to talk about, it will be very short video. So guys, before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so there is a few shortcuts, so I will show you the very simple. Hit the window key. Okay, window, press and hold the window key, then hold the control key and then press the O. Okay, then the keyboard will be open. Okay, so you can see the again this key, window plus control, hold, and then hit the O. Okay, so you can see this is on screen keyboard has been visible. Now you can use it, and now you can close now this like this. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.